Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can change Gmail account ID name. So if you have the requirement change your Google account name, you can do that. See here, open your Gmail app, and once again I'm telling you, this is not changing your Gmail address. This is your ID name, so the display name. So changing the Gmail address is not possible because it is almost like creating a new Gmail. If you want a unique Gmail address, you can create new Gmail ID. So to change the display name, click on three dots, and down you'll see settings here. If you scroll down, you'll see settings. Click on that and choose the required Gmail address to change your ID name. And here the first option, manage your Google account, click on that, and then personal info, and here you'll see name. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, Google will ask you to verify whether it is you. So if it asks you to enter the password, you should enter your current password. So once you enter your password, or once you complete the verification, and here you can edit your name. See here, you can add a new name here, and last name, anything for that matter, and click on the save. Once you click on the save, now your Gmail has new name. So this is how simple you can change your Google account name right from your mobile. And if you feel this is helpful, please do share it to others, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.